Hello, how are you today? So with all the kits flying off the shelf, I thought I'd make a little video and give you some little pointers on opening up your new toy. Read the instructions, it's filled with a lot of great information. Let me just give you a couple of pointers really quick. So of course you're going to want to take off So the plunger is really interesting. See it open up? When you open it up, you're releasing the tension on these tension bands on the inside. So anytime you want to take the plunger all the way out, let's say if you're cleaning it, or something gets trapped in there, or you're doing just go push it, you're going to want to loosen that before you pull it out. And also always keep it loosened when you're putting it back in. Just about, I go about 10 milligrams in, and then tighten it up and create the tension. You can see it here. Remember, this is brand new, so it's going to be a little hard to pull, which means some really great extra suction when you just go sucking it. So enjoy. Remember, keep it out of the reach of children and pets. Enjoy your child-proof packaging. Always buy from a licensed dealer, dispensary I should say. And thank you for just go sucking.